Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to install a MSD two-step. I can't see it, there it goes. MSD, the 8733 two-step launch control. My boy Lance Dragger did hook me up with the brand new MSD two-step. Here it is right here. A pretty simple install, nothing too crazy, pretty much straightforward. Only got one wire. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wire it up to a switch and go from there. But I gotta run the wire from the inside of the engine compartment. I'm gonna find a power wire, hook up the switch, and the blue wire that's to the MSD, which I'm gonna use the white and blue wire, which is for like a switch, and then the pedals for like if you have a clutch or something. Then you can activate these to like the brake switch or a clutch pedal or something like that. Pretty much straightforward. Bolt is down on the engine bay, zip tie it to the engine block and stuff like that, and pretty much run the wire and turn it on. It's been a minute since I drove G8. It was actually nice to drive it again. Here's a cold start. Go ahead and take it in and run the wire to the power and hook up the switch. So we're under the hood. Pretty simple install. So I got a Milwaukee, some self tappers. I'll self tap it right here, zip tie all the wires into the rails and stuff like that, disconnect these, and then I'll run the wire down in there to the inside. So let's do that. So I ran the wire through the bottom, see the blue wire right there. I'm gonna tap it into the accessories over here on this side, and then I'll run the switch over here. But for now, I'm just throw the switch here, and then I think tomorrow or the following day, I'll wire up the switch right there. All right, so just for temporary, I do have the switch ran. When the light is on, that means the two-step is off, and whenever the light is off, two-step is on, which I can rev it. And the car just died. But here, it's off. I'll hardwire here, but for now I got enough slack, so it should be good. Let me get to the back and then start messing with the adjustments real quick and show you how it sounds. And then here it is, all installed. But I still gotta wire up the things to the rail so it can stop moving. Mount it here. Oh, check out Manuel's new truck. It's a beast. But here it is. It's wired up. I think it's at 3,000 RPM, so that's a 3,000 RPM. So I think I'll turn it up more to like 5. It should do good. You probably need to warm it up though to make it spin thing. It didn't spin nothing. Yeah, nothing? Yeah. That engine? I've been hearing or country now. Look at it, it kind of makes it. Oh, I need to tie it up then. do it?
Huh?
You want to do it?
Not really.
Just hold it. Just hold it and then like 2-3 seconds, that's it. Sounds good. Just foot. Scared of it? Huh? It's always been on. Evap. Just hold it. Alright, so just like that, we'll mess with the settings here and there later. Go ahead and turn it off. So, red light means off. I'll fix that later. But it's a badass truck. Alright. Finish this video for the two-step, which is switched right here. Right now it's off. Right now it's activated on, off. Pretty good. So let me warm up the car a little bit. We got a sheriff that lives in front of the house, so I'm trying to get out of here real quick, and I'll show y'all what it sounds like again. Checking out the tires. It's been a while since I drove it. Two-step switches on. Oh yeah. Two-step is off. Yeah, today is actually pretty cold. Wear your sweater. Super cold here in Texas. But good thing about the cold weather, G8 is boosted and it's awesome in the cold. So sounds good. Alright, that was a little scary right there. I actually spun out so bad that I went from the right lane to the left lane. There's only 3 lanes, so I was able to control the car, so thank God I didn't crash it. But that's it for this video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Two-step is pretty cool, so we'll get some more videos of the two-step and stuff like that, get adjustments and other cool stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, guys.